Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a scenic drive along Interstate 90, starting in Buffalo, New York, and heading west toward the Pennsylvania Welcome Center. This route offers a blend of rich history and diverse geography. Our journey begins in Buffalo, a city with deep historical roots. Buffalo's location along Lake Erie has been pivotal in its development, serving as a major port and industrial hub. The city's proximity to the Canada-US border has fostered a unique blend of cultures and economic ties. As we merge onto Interstate 90, we're traveling on the longest transcontinental interstate highway in the United States, stretching over 3,000 miles from Seattle, Washington, to Boston, Massachusetts. As we drive through western New York, we pass through regions characterized by rolling hills and plateaus, shaped by ancient geological processes. The area is rich in natural beauty, with numerous parks and recreational areas offering glimpses of the region's diverse ecosystems. Crossing into Pennsylvania, we're welcomed by the Pennsylvania Welcome Center, which provides travelers with information about the state's attractions, history, and travel tips. Pennsylvania, often called the Keystone State, plays a central role in American history, having been the site of significant events like the signing of the Declaration of Independence. Thank you for joining us on this journey along I-90. We've traversed landscapes shaped by glaciers, passed through cities with rich histories, and entered a state renowned for its pivotal role in America's story.
Thanks for watching!